You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name of Latin origin. It's a bit of a variant of the name Aliana. If you want to learn more confusing names, stay tuned. I've got tons more interesting one at the end of this video, meaning essentially noble, from Latin alius, generally pronounced in English Aliana, in Spanish Aliana, Aliana, also Italian pronunciation Aliana. In English, however, the pronunciation is generally as Aliana. Is this how you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Let us know where you're from and how you pronounce it, if it's any different or if that's the way you say it. Aliana, let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.